Good evening, I'm Kip Darling, and you're watching continuing coverage of The Search for a Supervillain. Joining us via satellite are Ratchet and Clank, the two heroes who defeated Dr. Nefarious over 2 years ago. Ratchet, Clank, thank you for coming.
Thank you for having us, Kip.
First, he was death, then status unknown. Now authorities have upgraded Dr. Nefarious to live and large. Will Ratchet and Clank join the search team?
Clank and I talked about it, and we both decided it's time to go back to the way things were. Fixing ships, playing hologames till 3 in the morning, leave the hero stuff to the other guys.
Like Galactic President Quark?
Yeah. Or anyone else.
Ratchet?
What? I didn't vote for the guy.
I believe what Ratchet is trying to say is, we have full confidence in President Quark's abilities, and I am sure he will not rest until Nefarious is captured.
Well, with that in mind, let's check in with President Quark at the presidential compound in Mediterranean City. President Quark? President Quark!
She was taking a memo! Good morning, citizens. I was just, analyzing. Ah, yes, these figures seem optimum. Very promising.
Sir, you're reading a cereal box.
Is there something I can do for you, taxpayer?
The Polaris Defense Force claims Lawrence teleported Dr. Nefarious to safety prior to the destruction of his ship. What measures are you taking to track down this fugitive?
Extreme measures, Kip. Every morning I wake up, I look around, I ask everyone I see, and so far, no dice. Hey, Zip, you seen Dr. Nefarious?
No.
See? The guy's a ghost.
Then do you have a message for the citizens who believe Dr. Nefarious is planning another attack?
Absolutely. There is no danger. Everything is under control. So relax, kick back, and put your faith in myself and Vice President Scratch.
Thank you, President Quark. Coming up, 10 million ways your loofah sponge can kill you. Right after this.